everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm gonna be real honest with y'all. Today we have a closeout for August, and I am really working hard to force myself to do this closeout video because I don't want to record it. I just want to put my money away and keep it moving, but we got to stick with the program, stick with the plan. So let's get this done, get it out the way so I can move on. All right, let's get started, okay? We already know the actuals are filled in. Ooh, I filled in some of these already. That mortgage, which is $498. Envelopes was $300. AT&T was... Wow, I don't have any of these actually. It was Geico was $190.45. T-Mobile, we're gonna put $188. Well, that's because I don't take anything out of this one. Gym was, we're just gonna put 13, 17, 60, 100. No, home we did 30 because I had to redo so many of these, y'all. 80 for that one. NTTA was 40. That's why, because I had to find $40 for that. We ended up doing nothing out of cushion. Adobe was 22, 72, 97, 15, and I can already tell y'all I got my water bill for September and it's like $30 more than what I'm used to, and I don't know why, but I'm very frustrated by that. And then we did 0 from there so that we can actually like even everything out. I actually ended up not taking anything out of that because like we barely made it. And that one was 50, and that was 50. Okay. Yeah, it was kind of a mess for this one. So, moving along, because I actually just ended up, like I showed y'all, moving that money around so that I could actually end up paying that. It was a mess. All right, let's get down to this one. We did have a little bit left over for my second account. So, 55 was did to business. 55 was put in student loans. $26.95 was put in Banfield. $289 for sinking funds. $60 for lawn. $250 for Visa. $10 for Amazon Music. $100 for date night. $60 for security. $10 for house. $10 for car emergencies. $5 for new car. $20 for student loans. $15 for car wash, $30 for car maintenance, $50 for annual, $10 for cushion, $30 for trash, and $80 for Amex. And that ended up giving us, I'm not even gonna add it up, y'all. We ended up having $16 left over. And now I have that 16 to divide up however I like to. And let me see if I have that written out anywhere. I don't actually think I do. I think I was just going to have fun and kind of go with it. Divide it up however I felt like it, but give me just 1 second. And I checked 16. There we go. Alright, so emergency savings is going to get 4. I'm going to need to, let me see if I have one already started for September. I do. Okay. So let me grab that so I can do that. Let's fill this in. Okay. Who gets what? Alright. This is going to be the fastest video, y'all, except for this cash stuffing I got to do. And I don't even know if any of the ones I need are... Oh, Treadmill gets some money. Treadmill gets $3. So let me go ahead and grab 3 for that. So... Actually, let me see what's in here, and then maybe I can figure out if I can... Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, we just have to do 3. All right. Oopsie. 1, 2, 3. So, there we go. And one of the things I was thinking of doing was we get like a bonus health thing. So I'm thinking I might put that money... I was thinking I would put that money... Oh no, where'd the other one go? Oh, there we go. Okay. Towards... All Okay, new car gets $2. My treadmill, so I can go ahead and have that in time for winter, and then I can start working on like another thing to save for. Which I don't think I have anything else I want to really save for. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, so I guess it would just really be putting that money towards paying off some debt probably. Anyway, so we had 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 60. Oh goodness. Yeah. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. So new car now has 63, which is perfect in line with where new car should be. And, sorry, car emergencies is also getting 2. Car emergencies have a lot of money. That's great. So let's see. Oh, we're gonna need change. Do you have change? I can put 3 and trade it for a 5. There we go. Okay, so new car has, or car emergencies, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 81. 181, perfect. Ooh, we're almost at 200. That's pretty good, actually. There we go, okay. Car emergencies. Wonder if we can hit 200 by the end of the year. That would be awesome. New car. Okay, I'm pretty sure we will. Let's see who else. $2 for house emergency. I don't know if that's in this one. I feel kind of like it's not. Yeah, I don't see it. So yeah, okay. Let me get my other folder. We need house emergencies, security savings, and emergency savings. House emergencies, security savings, and security savings. Perfect. All right. Who gets what? I should write these here. Security, house, and emergency savings. Okay, perfect. Okay, so security savings gets $3. Let's see what we've got left. 1, 2, 3. So, making a mess, y'all. All right, there we go. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 119. For security saving. And I can go this way. And we've done that one, that one, that one, and that one. Hope I was supposed to actually still do those. I think so. Oh, we should. Perfect. Okay. Emergency savings gets 4. So if I can take my 1, grab a 5, put that away, and here we go. 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 126. For emergency savings. And then house emergencies gets 2. And we are all done. 1, 2. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just hit 105 for house emergencies. Yay! Okay. Bloop and bloop. And that's it. We have closed out September. Yay! Now I can move on with my life. I don't know why I feel like I never feel like doing my closeouts, but I don't. I'm sure y'all realize that half the time, like, I miss out on my closeout videos. Sometimes it's because I don't have anything closed out, like I don't have any extra money, and sometimes it's just because I don't feel like being bothered. So, but we do our budget anyway, even when we don't feel like being bothered. That's it, everybody. All right, thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.